Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today we'll be going through how to set up your tax withholding. Let's jump right in. So to begin with, we'll just open up our Agrimaster file. And once you're in, you'll just need to go to the tax setup screen. So to get here, we'll just go to Setup and Tools, Cash Book Setup, and then Tax at the bottom. Here we've got the different types of tax setup. Today we'll be looking at tax withholding. So at the top we've got the start month. Here you need to enter the date from which tax withholding reports are to be calculated. Even though it says here that in Australia this will be the 1st of July 2000, it'll be the start of your cash book. So I've got 1st of July 2022 because that's when my cash book started. Underneath we've got the tax withholding return period. So if you report your tax quarterly, you just put 3, monthly 1, and so on. Underneath we've got the tax withholding rate. I believe it's 47%, but you'll need to check this with your accountant before you finish the setup. Underneath we'll just need to set up our codes. So the first one is the code which marks tax withheld from payments. So for this one I've got withhold tax deducted. The next code is to mark payments of tax withheld to the tax office. So here I've got withheld tax remitted. Here we've got the add or edit allocation list button. So if we click on here, we can set up the ATO as a payee. We'll go back. And the final code we need to set up is just a transaction payment code to store tax withheld from payments. So if you've not got this code set up already, you can do so by clicking the add or edit code list here. But I've already got it set up, so I'll just search for withheld tax. And then you want to click this activate button. This is so you can generate a withholding tax report which keeps all records of gross payments and tax withheld. So we'll check this box, back out, and now we successfully set up our tax withholding. Thank you for watching everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.